क्या हाल?
All caught up in paradise, running away from everything real, everything that hurts to feel.
Full green.
All you know is all that you put
These are quite
up to
steep.
keep you from
Take a look
the
yourself.
truth.
I love it when the views open up from forest too.
All the hurt, only to keep out all that's worth. All along you thought that you were better off with all you knew.
This is unbelievably way to green.
Go.
Magic of monsoon.
All along you've been a fool.
This is too good.
It's getting old.
But it's pretty steep. Time to leave this beautiful campsite and hike up. The pure black coffee and with a lot of fresh tea making.
Your bags inside the tent.
Go trek down another 2 kilometers.
Down.
Yeah.
All you do is all routine, a careful schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is
halfway
bury
done.
your head, you know.
Invite.
You might as well be dead. Once you find the good, you'll learn to take the bad.
Let's go through.
All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew.
Hopping from one village to other.
All along you've been a fool. It's getting old.
Jungle. Was the campsite? Can't see obviously. That's our coordinator. Do you feel disappointed that see how much you can see for yourself? Because this is way too much elevation here. So while the clouds eat away our time leaps,